Hello, this is Robert the Traveler here in Yellow Springs, and let me give you a little bit of a look on the Rails to Trails walkway here in Yellow Springs. Very interesting. Coming up to the Yellow Springs Brewery. All kinds of brewing equipment in there, I guess. Well, let's keep going. Hello. Yeah, pretty day. It's about 70 degrees outside, about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Ready to call it a day, go to Planet Fitness for a shower. And I might come back here to Boondock. Yellow Springs has a laundry, you can do your laundry for $2.50 a load. And it's not bad. But I gotta make a decision on where I'm going to be boondocking here. Let's see here. Make a shortcut here. There's the Campervan. This is a good place to park, but boondocking overnight, this lot right here, it's not a really good place. It's usually quite noisy during the night. There's bars nearby, so it's not going to be very quiet during the night for sure. There it is, my vehicle. Well, this is Robert the Traveler signing off. We'll see us later.